Hello traders. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Today it's a November 21st after 12:30 we have received a sell called red color candle open. Sell at 43,806, that straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are 100 point first target, 200 point second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Likewise today sell call generated at 43,806. First target range is 43,697. It's more than a 100 point target, like a 110 point target, and second target is more than a 200 point target. Daily it will analyze the market movement. It will analyze every 1 minute candle. On daily basis we are uploading videos also how it work in live market, and today after 12:32 we have received this call. Let's wait and see how this call work out in live market. After 1 o'clock, 30 minutes of market momentum, a huge downside direction. In just a 2 candle, 2 minute of market movement, it break out the target range. From entry point to target, in 2 candle, it break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. 43,600 put option. We are watching a direct option chart. In option chart, it's out of the money option chart. At 100, 99, at 100, we have received this call and market move all the way to the 180. So it's a huge momentum. Due to a fast reaction, it has given more than a 40-50 point momentum in this option, out of the money option call. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.